Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In the yesterday's video, we have learnt about coefficient of skewness and kurtosis of Poisson distribution. I have said yesterday about a related question is asked in the CP GET. So see in the right now, you have a problem which is the question number 20 which was given in MSc CP GET statistics, and the question is select the correct statements among the following. We have to select the correct statements from the given statements. So the first statements, there are given 5 statements and we have to choose, the options are 4 options. We have to select the correct options from these 5 options. So the first statement is if x and y are two independent binomial variates with parameters binomial distribution n1, p1 and binomial distribution n2, p2, then the sum of the binomial variates is also binomial variate. Here they are given that there are two independent binomial variates which are x and y. These are two binomial variates with parameters. Therefore, x follows a binomial distribution with parameter n1, p1 and y follows binomial distribution with parameters n2, p2. And they are saying that the sum of these binomial variates, which means x plus y, also follows the binomial distribution with parameters n1 plus n2, p1 plus p2. Here this is the statement that has given. But according to the binomial properties, the sum of the binomial variates x plus y follows the binomial distribution with parameters n1 plus n2, p. It is not p1 plus p2. The x follows the binomial distribution with parameters n1, p and y also follows the binomial distribution with parameters n2, p. So the x plus y follows the binomial distribution with parameters n1 plus n2, p. This is the correct statement. This is wrong. But in the statement, it has given that the x plus y follows binomial distribution with n1 plus n2, p1 plus p2. So the first statement is wrong. So let me write here 5 statements. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. In this, the first statement is wrong. So I will cross mark this one. So now we will see the second statement. See in the right side. If x and y are two independent Poisson variates with parameters lambda 1 and lambda 2, then the sum of the Poisson variates is also a Poisson variate. Here same. The x and y are Poisson distribution, independent Poisson distribution, Poisson variates. So the x follows the Poisson distribution with parameter lambda 1 and y follows the Poisson distribution with parameter lambda 2. So the sum of two independent Poisson variates, which means the x plus y follows Poisson distribution with parameter lambda 1 plus lambda 2. Lambda 1, lambda 2. This is the given in the statement. According to the Poisson distribution properties, this is true. So we can say that the statement 2 is correct. Therefore, x and y are two independent Poisson variates with parameters lambda 1 and lambda 2. Then the sum of the Poisson variates is also a Poisson variate. And now we will see the third one. The third statement is Poisson distribution satisfies the property mu1 dash is equals to mu2 is equals to mu3 is equals to gamma 2 to the power of minus 1. We know that the non-central moment, the first non-central moment of Poisson distribution is lambda. And mu2, we know mu2 also, which is lambda. And mu3. In Poisson distribution, the three is central moments and non-central moments are same, which is equals to lambda. And we also know the gamma 2, which we have found in the second video of coefficient of skewness and kurtosis. We got gamma 2 has 1 by lambda. Therefore, gamma 2 is 1 by lambda. Here they are given gamma 2 to the power of minus 1, which means gamma 2 to the power of minus 1 is nothing but the reciprocal, which is nothing but the lambda. Which is equals to lambda. So that we can easily say that mu1 dash is equals to mu2 is equals to mu3 is equals to gamma 2 to the power of minus 1. So the third statement is satisfied. So we can say that the third statement is also true. So now we will see the fourth statement. All cumulants of Poisson distribution are equal. This is the correct statement. You are getting all the central moments of Poisson distribution is same. So the cumulant of Poisson distribution are also equal. So the fourth statement is also correct. And we will see the fifth statement. The product of mean, standard deviation, gamma 1 and gamma 2 is unity for a Poisson distribution. Here they are saying the product of mean into standard deviation into gamma 1 into gamma 2, which should be equals to unity means 1. So now we will multiply this all. Mean is nothing but the mu1. Mu1 is lambda. Therefore lambda. And standard deviation. We know about the variance. So we can easily calculate the standard deviation. Variance. Variance of Poisson distribution is mu2. Mu2 is equals to lambda. So, which is also called as variance. And we can easily calculate the standard deviation if variance is there. Standard deviation formula is under root variance. So, standard deviation is equals to under root variance, which is equals to under root lambda. So, I can write here under root lambda into gamma 1. In the previous video, we got the gamma 1, which is equals to 1 by under root lambda. Therefore, 1 by under root lambda into gamma 2. Gamma 2 also we got has 1 by lambda. Therefore, 1 by lambda. So we can easily cancel this lambda, denominator lambda and numerator lambda, and under root lambda. 1 into 1, which is equals to 1. So the product of mean, standard deviation, gamma 1 and gamma 2, which is equals to unity. So the fifth statement is also true. Correct. So from the options, let us see the options now. The options are, the first one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, it is wrong. 1, 2. Second option is also wrong. And third option is 1, 2, 3. This is also wrong. We got the second statement, third statement, fourth statement and fifth statements are correct. So our option 4 is the correct answer. I hope you have understood this video. And like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. If you want more videos about the CPGAT MSc Statistics question paper, please do your comment in the comment box and I'll make sure I'll answer it. Thank you.